So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2025 paper 2, which is from the electrochemistry chapter. And in this question, if you see, what has been asked is, an electrochemical cell is fueled by the combustion of butane at 1 bar pressure and 298 Kelvin temperature. Its cell potential is this, where F is the Faraday constant and the value of X is. So we have to tell the value of F. So how to do this question? Let us start the solution. So first we have to take the reaction. C4H10 is reacting with the 13 by 2 O2 and it will give us 4 CO2 and 5 H2. Now we know that the oxidation state of this is 5 by 2 and the carbon is plus 4, and delta G of reaction can be written as 4 times delta G of formation of CO2 plus 5 times delta G of formation of H2O minus delta G of formation of butane. Now when we put the values, minus 394 and plus 5 into 5 minus 237 minus 18, so we will get minus of 2743 kilojoule per mole. So this will be the delta G of reaction. Now delta G naught can also be written as minus NF E cell naught. Now E cell naught can be written as delta G naught divided by minus NF. So this will be 2743000. This is joules per mole divided by N. Value of N is, if you see here, N is the number of electron transferred. So if you see from minus 5 by 2 to 4, the difference is 4 plus 5 by 2, which is equals to 13 by 2. So 13 by 2 for the 1 carbon. So for the 4 carbon, if you see, we multiply this, we will get 26. So here 26 electrons. From here to here, from C4H10 to CO2, we see here that the 26 number of electron has been lost. So that's why the 26 electrons has been transferred. So 26 into value of Faraday is, we have to write it in the terms of F, because we have to answer that in the term of F. So when we calculate this, we will get 2743 divided by 26 into 10 raised to power 3 divided by F, these times of volts. And when we calculate it, we will get 105.5 divided by F into 10 raised to power 3 volts. So the value of this X should be 105.5. So the correct answer should be 105.5. Thank you so much for listening.